Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bread enhancer is probably one of the most sought-after baking secrets for achieving consistently perfect loaves, transforming your homemade bread from ordinary to extraordinary with improved texture, enhanced flavor, and extended shelf life. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing the right bread enhancer to elevate your baking game. Number 5. Scratch Premium Dough Conditioner. Tired of inconsistent bread? This amazing dough conditioner strengthens gluten and starch for smoother, longer-lasting loaves. It's the secret to bakery-quality bread at home. Whether you're baking with whole wheat, rye, or all-purpose flour, it enhances texture and flavor in every recipe. For whole wheat bread, consider adding Vital Wheat gluten for optimal results. Professional bakers use this to improve texture, appearance, and flavor. A little goes a long way, so use it sparingly for the best results. Say goodbye to inconsistent dough. It ensures perfect dough every time, whether you're making one loaf or a large batch. It's perfect for any bread recipe. Just add 1 teaspoon to 1 cup of flour. Mix with other ingredients as usual and follow your favorite recipe. Enjoy delicious, consistent bread. What we like? It strengthens gluten and starch for smoother, longer-lasting loaves. If you're looking for consistent, high-quality bread every time, this is the one for you. It's perfect for bakers of all skill levels, ensuring delicious results with any flour type. What people say? This keeps your bread soft. It helps it brown. It makes the bread spongy. My left loaf is light, soft, and tasty. The top got a bit more crusty done because it rose so high. It also kept the loaf softer longer. Not only was the baked loaf very noticeably higher, but the texture was much more airy and light, flavorful and, well, delicious, even after I substituted a cup of whole wheat for regular bread flour. Number 4. Dough Enhancer 14 ounces. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of your dough. This professional-grade improver ensures consistent, high-quality results every time. Use it in all your yeast doughs, from 0.5% to 2% of the flour weight. One bag treats up to 48 pounds of flour. It helps you achieve excellent volume and protects against weak flour and overproofing. Say goodbye to inconsistent bakes. It's ideal for everything from multigrain and wholemeal loaves to pizza dough, bagels, and even delicate pastries. It's a must-have for banh mi. It enhances the freshness and gives you that impressive break and shred characteristic of crusty breads. Your customers will love the texture. The resealable bag keeps it fresh and ready to use whenever you need it, making baking easier and more convenient. What we like? This product protects against weak flour and overproofing, resulting in impressive volume. If you bake a wide variety of breads and want consistent results, this is your best bet. Its versatility makes it suitable for everything from baguettes to pizza doughs. What people say? The bread comes out so wonderfully soft and delicious, and it lasts in the refrigerator for a week or more without getting hard or moldy. This additive prevents mold and drying out, and it works. Dough rises higher. Bread comes out of oven looking like it was professionally prepared. Using this dough enhancer, you're guaranteed bread staying fresher for longer. My bread stayed fresh for 1 whole week. Number 3. Scratch Premium Dough Conditioner. Tired of inconsistent bread? This amazing dough conditioner strengthens gluten and starch for smoother, longer-lasting loaves every time. It's the secret weapon of professional bakers. It improves texture and flavor, resulting in better-tasting bread. Use it in any bread recipe, from whole wheat to sourdough. For whole wheat, add Scratch Vital Wheat gluten for the best results. Achieve bakery-quality results at home. A little goes a long way, so use it sparingly for amazing results. Say goodbye to inconsistent dough. It ensures perfect dough for every batch, big or small, so you get delicious bread every time. Just add 1 teaspoon to 1 cup of flour. Mix as usual and follow your recipe. It's that easy. What we like? This is another great option for creating smoother, longer-lasting bread. If you need a larger quantity for frequent baking, this bulk option offers excellent value. It's perfect for those who bake large batches or regularly use dough conditioner. What people say? This keeps your bread soft. It helps it brown. It makes the bread spongy. This makes the dough for breads and cinnamon rolls rise so much better. The bread stays fresh longer as well. Added to bread recipes and they came out more tender. Will purchase again. Number 2. Authentic Foods Dough Enhancer. Tired of unpredictable results with whole grain baking? This innovative product is your solution for consistently delicious baked goods. It dramatically improves the rise and texture of your whole grain breads, rolls, and pizzas. Say goodbye to dense, disappointing loaves. Enjoy your creations for longer. It helps extend the shelf life of your baked goods, reducing waste and maximizing freshness. Whether you're making pizza dough, artisan rolls, or other yeast-based recipes, it's the perfect addition for superior results. Simply add 1/4 teaspoon per 2 cups of flour. It's that easy to elevate your baking game. It comes in a convenient 2-ounce bottle, perfect for your baking needs. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It enhances the rise, texture, and shelf life of whole grain baked goods. If you specialize in whole grain baking or frequently make pizza, this is a must-have. The simple instructions make it perfect for bakers who prefer convenience. What people say. I used it in the first recipe that kept falling and the loaf actually stayed nice and high with good even structure. Using this enhancer gives the dough a better feel. It actually springs back like it's supposed to and bread stays fresher longer. My bread was good before, but now it is so much better. It is lighter in texture and the rising time was less. Number 1. Baking Dough Enhancer. It's the perfect solution for creating delicious donuts and breads. This enhancer improves dough development and saves you money when buying in bulk. It contains whey, corn flour, monocalcium phosphate, L-cysteine hydrochloride, and potassium bromate. These ingredients work together to enhance your baking. Simply use it at approximately 3% by weight of flour in your yeast-raised baked goods. It ensures complete dough development in just one mixing step. Buying in bulk helps you save on ingredient costs and keeps your establishment well-stocked. It's a smart choice for bakers of all sizes. Store it in a dry place with less than 75% relative humidity. Do not refrigerate it to maintain its quality and effectiveness. With this enhancer, you'll achieve perfectly developed dough every time, resulting in consistently delicious baked goods. Enjoy the ease and quality it brings to your baking. What we like. This is a great choice for making donuts and breads, offering significant cost savings when purchased in bulk. If you're a professional baker or run a bakery, this will help you save money and ensure you always have enough on hand. It's designed for efficient mixing, saving you time and effort. What people say. But this one in particular has made all my recipes taste and look just like they should, just like or better than the bakery bread or pastry that we want to imitate. Now it's softer, chewier and more uniform. This item helps quite a bit both with crumb structure and the extensibility of my dough for bread and pizza. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.